Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? So, let's see. So we have here the King of Cups and the Hangman. Oh, divine counterpart energy, King and Queen of Cups. Mukhang makakahanap ka ng katapat ngayon ha, Knight of Swords. And this Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. Wow, you're waiting for this to happen. You're waiting for your divine counterpart. Ayan na siya. And wow, lovers. So, ayan na. Hanap mo na yung katapat mo this time. Saka hahanap mo mukhang, ayan na. Worth the wait. Ika nga. We have here moon card, bottom card. Okay, so may specific signs tayo dyan ng Gemini, Pisces, strong water sign dahil divine counterpart ng King and Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Strong. Okay, so you're waiting for your divine counterpart. So, let's see. Ayan, mukhang mahahanap mo na yung katapat mo. So, matagal mo tong hinintay, lalo na kung matagal ka ng single, waiting for your divine counterpart. Let's see. Anong message ng Archangel natin? So, we have here, ayon, alam mo na daw ang gagawin mo. You know what to do. By Archangel Uriel. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. So, it's a go signal. So, alam mo na ang gagawin mo, ha? Ayan. And let's see. Signs and symbol cards natin. Medyo fast moving ito, ha? Ayan. So, hindi babagal-bagal tong taong ito ngayon. Decidido. We have here the ground and magnifying glass. Okay. Dream catcher. So, parang it's a dream come true. Your dream person, dream man, dream boy, dream girl, mga ganyan. Ayan, yung wini-wish-wish mo lang dati. Ayan. We have here coffee. Marami kayong coffee dates na pagsasamahan itong taon to. Late night talks. Ganyan. So, parang the search is over. Oh, magnifying glass. So, matagal siya naghahanap ng partner or yung divine counterpart niya. Tapos, ayan. And the pillow. So, may mga sleepless nights na rin na nangyari kasi bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa rin tong taong ito na para sa akin. Tapos, boom, 'di ba? Wish come true. Parang ibibigay sa'yo, makikilala mo na pala siya or on the way na. Okay? So, let's see more messages natin dito. Okay? I'm so in love with you. You're my twin flame. So, parang twin flame energy. And honesty is the best policy. I have multiple opportunities. I want to protect you. Oh, very protective pa yung energy nitong taong ito. Can you forgive me? I want commitment. Can we start again? So, for some of you, itong taong ito ay parang hindi rin maganda yung naging start nyo or yung first meeting nyo, mukhang may nagawa siyang hindi maganda sa'yo. Dati, mukhang ganon, can't decide. So, kaya parang may mga undecided energy, lalo na kung may atraso pala siya sa'yo before. Gusto niya humingi ng tawad doon sa nagawa niyang yun. Pero mukhang hindi naman kayo naging in a relationship nitong taong ito before. May nagawa lang siyang hindi maganda. Ayan. atraso, ganyan, na gusto niyang ihingi ng tawad sa'yo. Maaaring hindi naman sinasadya yun, yung nangyaring yun. Pero at least, gusto pa rin niya humingi ng tawad sa'yo. Ayan. Okay, let's see. I hope that you can forgive me one day. Talagang feeling sorry itong taon 'to sa nagawa niya sa'yo before. Lalo na kung hindi naman niya yun sinasadya, yung nangyaring yon. So many things remind me of you. Pero simula kasi nun hindi ka na niya nakalimutan. I left when I saw you with someone. The timing just wasn't right for us. Siguro way lang yun ng tadhana para mag-meet kayong dalawa, para magkaroon ng impact, para hindi niyo makakalimutan ang isa't isa. So, may mga gano'n, para magkaroon ng imprint, para hindi niyo makalimutan ang isa't isa kasi iisipin niyo lagi yung nangyari na, yung ginawa niya na nakakainis, nakakairita itong taong ito kaya hindi siya mawawala sa isip mo. Siguro way ng tadhana yun para hindi niyo makalimutan ang isa't isa. And then after second meeting ninyo, magso-sorry siya, "Sorry sa nangyari, hindi ko sinasadya, nagmamadali ako," mga ganyan. So, ayun, parang mga gano'n. I know I messed up everything. Kasi nung mga panahong yun siguro ayun nga, parang nagmamadali siya, maraming problema, parang magulo yung isip niya ng mga panahong yun kaya hindi niya na nagawa mag-sorry sa nangyari, mga ganyan. I wonder if you're happy without me. Don't react when people mention you and you came closer than anyone. I'm becoming a better person. So, siguro mainit ang ulo nitong taong 'to dati. Tapos ngayon parang sinasabi niya, nagbabago na siya, na nababawasan na yung mga hindi niya napapansin sa sarili niya na hindi pala maganda, binabago na niya, mga ganyan. So, let's see more. Okay? Manifestation. You're manifesting your true love. Wow. Speaking of true love. And marriage. Wow. So, mukhang sa marriage na rin 'to hahantong very soon. Congratulations. So, ang lakas ng manifestation power mo ngayon. Calling in your soulmate, your divine counterpart. Ayan, yung katapat mo. Talaga. Parang kahit wala tayong mirror card dito, you are mirroring each other. Okay, so kuha tayo ng initials. Oops. KTG. D and O. Maaaring mahilig kayo parehas. Mga dog lover or cat lover. Ayan. L. Y, S, C, N, and R. Bottom card is Q. Cute. Yan. Mahilig kayo sa cute. Cute items. Cute animals. Okay, so let's see sa ating general signs and the messages. Emotional. Very emotional. Maaaring very emotional yung muling yung pagkikita or yung love na mangyayari between you and this person, your divine counterpart. Once, aray. Tumama yung kuko. Ayan. So, once is fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, we also have here attractive, number 9, and very, very soon, private person, June and Visayas, skin tag, number 5, ayan o, animal lover. Parehas kayo animal lover, pwedeng dog and cat, ganyan. 10, overthinker, present lover, travel, December, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, quiet person, athletic, Sagittarius, logical, and Libra. Okay. So, yan nasa ilalim ang January. So, yan ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.